Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add a cartoon character into a real photo using Gemini's Nano Banana. It's one of Google News tool that lets you edit images instantly just by typing a simple prompt. It's super fun and super easy. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Google Gemini. You can open it through your browser or through the app like this. And then once you're in, just log in using your Google account, and after that, just tap on Create Image to activate the Nano Banana, or you can also tap on Tools icon and then create images like this. And then next, just upload your first image, which is your cartoon character, and then also just upload your second image, which is the real photo where you want to place the character. Just tap on plus button and then choose gallery and then just upload your cartoon photo and your real photo like this. And here's a quick tip for you. If you want the AI to position your cartoon precisely, just mark the target area in your real photo with a bright color, like maybe red or green or just another color that contrasts with your photo. It will help the AI understand exactly where to place your character. And then next, it's time to write your prompt. This is where the magic happens. You can type a prompt something like this. Like this, make sure to describe what you want clearly, like maybe describe with details the positions and maybe the actions, or even you can describe your facial expressions that you want for the character. And then the more specific your prompt, the better the result will be. Next, when you're done, just tap on generate. And okay, like this, there you go. Gemini will instantly blend your cartoon character into your real photo. Honestly, it's so cute. If you are not 100% happy with the results, no worries. You can simply edit your prompt and then just try changing the pose or maybe the expression, the lighting, many more. Just tweak your prompt until you get the perfect result. And okay, maybe that's it. That's how you can easily insert a cartoon character into a realistic photo using Nano Banana. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.